Hello friends, in this video we will review Omron Compressor Nebulizer. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get all the updates. Let's start. We open the box. It comes with this small bag to ensure safe storage of the device for a longer period of time. Inside the box we have mouthpiece, we have jar for the medicine or saline, connecting tubes to connect mouthpiece with the medicine jar, and small toy to attract the babies or the little kids. The power cable, the main nebulizer machine. It comes up with a user manual in different languages and the guarantee card. The user manual is well detailed and explains different steps through pictures, which makes it easy to understand. It has a step-by-step guide from start up to the safe use of the device. It explains how to clean and disinfect the device. Let's assemble the device. Take out the machine or the main station and connect the power cable to the device. Each part of the machine is sealed separately, so cut the seal and remove the different parts to assemble. This is the jar for the medicine or saline solution, wherever you want to use. This is the medicine jar or saline jar. You can add medicine inside or normal saline solution. You can see this is the saline solution 10 ml packing. This packing can be opened by twisting its cap. Pour the solution inside the medicine jar to use it to nebulize the baby or child. This solution can be used for up to 24 hours, so you don't need to pour out this solution once you are done. You can keep it for the next round, but do not use it if the solution is older than 24 hours. Tighten to secure the jar once you are done. Now starts the fun part. This small toy that is to attract baby, just take it out of its packing and try to fix it above the medicine jar. You can see it has this place where it can be fixed on. So this small toy has to go on the medicine jar. Now take the mouthpiece and attach it to the medicine jar. Attach its accessories to connect it to the medicine jar. Make the connection as secure as possible to avoid any damage or flow of the medicine out of the jar. Take out tubes to establish the connection. All the parts are connected. Now the machine can be used. So let's connect it to the power. This is the power cable to connect the main machine to the power or electricity. Although I showed you how to start the machine, it is important to wash different parts of the machine before the first use. Let's wash them. We are washing different usable parts of the machine thoroughly using the normal dishwashing liquid with normal temperature water. Let these parts to dry naturally. Microwave can also be used to dry these parts of the nebulizers. Once all parts are dried up, assemble the machine and start using the machine as a nebulizer for the infants or babies. Interestingly, the user manual does not explain where these air filters belong to. It also took us long to understand where these white air filters belong to because there is no clue in the user manual. So you see, these air filters come from the main machine. This air filter must be replaced after a certain period of use. You can change this filter by opening this small cover and securing it back. Let's use this nebulizer in small baby. Baby should sit in an upright position with a proper support at the back. Once the mouthpiece is set on the baby face, turn on the device for at least 5 to 6 seconds. Repeat this act for 3 to 4 times in each session. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.